5. If you're bad, help me and I'll take you to rescue joy. This gets the most anticipated movie of the year. Leonardo DiCaprio, Anna Ashton, Kelly Washington, and Samuel Jackson. I count 6 guys. What's your name? Please, if you like the songs you're listening to and you want more like them, check out Xbox Music. It's the new all-in-one music service just launched by Xbox. It's like having 3 music services in one. You can stream millions of songs for free on your Windows 8 PC or tablet, download music to your own collection, or create custom artist-based stations. And with Xbox Music Pass, your playlist follows you on your phone, tablet, or even your Xbox 360. And if you don't have an Xbox 360 yet, for a limited time you can get one for $50 off. Games, music, movies, and sports. They're all more amazing with Xbox.
Small businesses are the heartbeat of our communities. When they succeed, we all do. Now more than ever, as many small businesses are opening their doors again. Let's shop small and support businesses like this one.
Hi, this is Janet McCarran from Produce Responsible in Decatur Avenue in Margate. When Hurricane Sandy